So here's a quick trick for you on how to force a copy of a Google slide document with Mote comment suggestions already included. So ideal for being able to add voice directions. So I've already done here 2, for example. So in this box, we've got the transcript that Mote's recorded for me and the playable link, and exactly the same here. So what I'm going to do is add one for this section here. So I'm just going to go ahead and click on the add comment box. I'm going to click on the Mote icon just to record my instructions for this section. In this section, I'd like you to reflect on one positive thing to come out of 2020. I'm just going to let that process, add that as a comment, and it's going to bring in here the transcript. It's still transcribing at the moment. There we go. I'm just going to go in and edit that slightly. In this section, I'd like you can always edit the transcripts if you need to. I'm going to save that and exit. There we go. And now, what I want to do is force copies of these. So I'm going to create a link that I can send to all of my students, and they'll get copies of not just the slideshow for themselves, but also of the comments. So I'm going to go up to the URL bar here, and I'm going to use backspace to take out everything up to the / before edit. I'm going to replace the edit with copy, which would just normally force a copy without the comments. But then I'm going to add question mark, copy again, and comments with a capital C, all as one word, equals true. Then I'm going to Control C to copy that URL. Now I'm going to go and open up a new window. Okay, I'm going to paste that URL in there and enter. And you can see I've got the option to make a copy here. So I'm going to make a copy. You can see I've got a copy now of the slide deck, but it's also pulled through the instructions. So it would have pulled through just normal written comments as well, but in this case it's also pulled through my Mote comments, and any new person can click on this. So first of all, and listen to the instructions that's being given as well as reading them. Okay, a really cool way of being able to force a copy of a document with comments to give additional guidance, especially during remote learning.